Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Premiere Pro projects with Creative Cloud Libraries, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create or open a project that you want to backup. Locate the Creative Cloud Libraries panel on the right side of the screen. If the panel isn't visible, go to the window menu at the top. Select Workspaces and then click on Libraries. Now, your Creative Cloud Libraries panel should be open. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the Libraries panel to create a new library. Name your library to reflect the project you'll backup. Once the library is created, you will see it listed in the panel. Next, select the assets you want to backup. This can include clips, graphics, or even entire sequences. Click and drag the selected assets into your newly created library. Alternatively, right-click on the assets and choose Add to Library. Wait for a moment while Premiere Pro uploads these assets to Creative. You will see a small cloud icon indicating that the upload is in progress. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a notification. To confirm the backup, open the Creative Cloud application. Log in with your Adobe ID if you aren't already. Navigate to the Libraries section in the Creative Cloud app. Here, you should see the library you just created. Open it to verify that all your assets are present. Your Premiere Pro project assets are now backed up in Creative Cloud Libraries. To restore them, simply go back to Premiere Pro. Open the Creative Cloud Libraries panel again. Select the library containing your assets. Drag and drop the items back into your project timeline or bin. This ensures that you can retrieve your work anytime you need. Backing up your projects using Creative Cloud Libraries is a simple and effective way to keep your work safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.